Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to create a well-structured elastic knit using the exchange place technique to achieve a beautifully textured braid in the knit part. The pattern involves using 6 loops and 2 rows. To begin, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 6, and add 2 loops for symmetry and 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 2 loops. Then knit the next 4 loops, but in a new order. Slip the first 2 with a thread in front. Knit the third. Make it a first. And knit the remaining 3 loops. Again, purl 2. Slip the first 2. Knit the third. Make it a first. And knit the remaining 3 loops. At the end of the row, purl 2. The second row is on the wrong side. We will knit similarly to the first row. After the edge loop, knit 2 loops. Then purl the next 4 loops, but in a new order. Slip the first 2 with a thread on the back. Purl the third. Make it a first. And purl the remaining 3 loops. Again, knit 2. Slip the first 2. Purl the third. Make it a first. And purl the remaining 3 loops. At the end of the row, knit 2. Repeat these 2 similar rows until the desired length is reached. This creates an exclusive knit fabric with a distinct texture suitable for any season or yarn. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.